जल्दी से, बिना देखे बिना चीटिंग करे बोलना है. Very good girl. Speak up.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sitara Sheikh. Today I'm share you my today I
Sharing
share
with
you
you. Sharing
today
with
I
you.
share with you my daily routine. I wake up in morning at 7 a.m. Then I clean my teeth. Then I take shower and I eat my breakfast. Then I go to sit my study and we and then my all studies complete. Then my all study complete. So I help my mom for cooking and I wash utensils and also I wash clothes. I wash clothes and then sharp 1 p.m. I pray Zohar namaz. Then I eat lunch, and then I eat lunch. Then I go to study. I that time I complete my homeworks. For example, my classes homework, my college homework, etc. Then I pray Asar namaz, and then I making tea for all, and then then I pray Zohar namaz. Sorry, then I pray Maghrib namaz. Then I making dinner for all, and
I make.
sharp 8 p.m. Sharp 8 p.m. I sleep well. Thank you.
Very nice. So sharp 8 p.m. you sleep well. It's 9 o'clock
So,
right now.
can I?
Yes, Miss Asma. Please come
Yes,
on the
sir.
camera.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheikh Asma. Today I'm going to
No.
sharing with
My name is
Asma
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 Sheikh.
Sheikh.
Sheikh. First name
Asma
first,
Sheikh.
last name last.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Today I'm going to sharing with you all my daily routine. First of all, I want to say, acute, write it on your heart there every day in the best day in the year.
Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay. Um, Now I'm sharing something about me. I wake up early in the morning and pray Salah, and after that I'm reading Quran,
Very good.
and after that I sleep for 1 hour again, and after that I wake up at 8 o'clock. Then I make breakfast for my mother and my cousin brother. After that I'm taking a lecture for degree college FY Commerce Science till 10:30. After that I'm clean my house, and after cleaning my house I'm going for the making lunch for my family, and then I'm saying Zohar Salah, and after that I'm
I take.
I take my lunch, and I'm making presentation for a website. In this, I'm making some. Now that time I'm working on computer forensic. That is my subject, and after that I'm teach tuition to my students, and then I'm pray my Asar Salah. After that, uh, I'm take.
I.
After that, uh, I take my evening tea and pray my Maghrib Salah, and then I start a lecture at 7:45 to 10:30, and
I.
after that I watch TV for some time, and then I go to the bed for sleep.
I go to bed.
I go to bed for.
Thank you. Very good. Very good. Very
Sir,
good.
can I?
Next,
Yes. Who's this? Can I?
Tabriz.
Jafar.
Jafar. Yes, Jappu.
Yep. Yes, sir.
Pappu, come on the camera. Ah, very nice.
Yes.
Good.
Hey, good
Please
afternoon,
start.
everyone. I am Jafar. Okay. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I am Jafar Babude. I am
Afternoon.
23. I am an engineer. Today, I am going to speak about my daily life. So, I usually wake up around 8 p.m. and then I take my brush and then I take shower. Then I get dressed. After that, I have some breakfast, and after that I join my office work from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. After 1 p.m. I go to pray, and after pray, I take my lunch. After once again after at 2 p.m. I start my office work, and after complete it till 6:30. After 6:30, I take some snap, and after that at 7 p.m. I wake up and go to pray, and after coming from pray I take a high tea, and after that once again and after that I start my bachelor degree study at 7:30 p.m. till 9 p.m. After that at 9 p.m. I join English classes, so till 10:30 p.m. and after that 10:30 p.m. English classes, once again I start my bachelor degree study till around 11:30 or 12 p.m. and after that 12 after that study I eat my dinner at around 12 p.m. or sometime 12 a.m. or around or sometime at 12:30. So and after that I go to bed at 1 p.m. 1 a.m. sorry. Thank you.
Oh my God. So you have your dinner late night, 12 p.m.
12 a.m.
Gentlemen, very bad, so sad. You shouldn't not have your dinner so late.
Yes, sir.
Remember this. It will affect your
I'm
life.
fully busy, sir.
You're busy, but still,
Yeah.
जान है तो जहान है, ऐसा मैंने चौक में सुना था. So दोस्त,
Yeah,
ध्यान
I
रखना.
agree.
Yeah, good, still really
Yeah,
good.
yeah, sure.
दोस्त इसके अंदर आपने कुछ चीजें ऐड नहीं की. आप चौक में जाते, विमल खाते, दोनों कॉलेज पे लड़के छेड़ते, कुछ ऐसा.
सर
बहुत ज्यादा
मजाक
शरीफ
करता
है
हूँ
सर.
सर.
अच्छा अच्छा, मतलब हमारे तबरेज आसिम के ऐसे नहीं, मतलब आप.
नहीं नहीं
ठीक है,
सर,
ठीक.
ईटन का.
Okay, next one, please. Next,
May I?
please. Yes, Imran bhai. Good to know. Come. Yes. Chalo, Imran bhai, let's go.
May I start?
Yes,
Shall I?
yes. Stay safe, stay home.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Imran Khan. Today I am going to share with you my daily routine, my beautiful day. Today I wake up 8 a.m. Then I go to the washroom. Then I brush my teeth. Then I have a bath. Then I drink a tea. Then I
I
have a
drink tea.
breakfast. Then I drink a tea, eat a toast. Then I prepare for office. At my office is start at sharp 10 a.m. Then I log in at 10 a.m. into the system. I work for office till 2 p.m. After that, I have a lunch. I had a lunch.
I have lunch.
I have a lunch. I have a lunch. Then 10 minutes, I go outside for a walking. Then again, I'm preparing for a
I prepare.
rework. I prepare for a work. Then I done my work,
Do my
remaining
work.
work.
I do my work. Only first form of verb.
Then I do my work. Then I have I work completed. Then I take a break, tea break at a 6 p.m. After that, I completed my remaining work.
I
At
complete my
sharp,
remaining work.
I complete my remaining work at 7:30. I did log out from the system. Now I go for a freshen up. After that, I go for outside with my son Haris. Then at sharp 8 to 8:30, I get a dinner with my family.
I take
After
dinner.
that, I did dinner with my family. After that, 10 minutes, I gossip with my daughter Huda Khan. And now I am in at 8:45. 8:45, I again freshen up for my English spoken classes. Now I am in English spoken classes. Thank you. I am here.
Good, thank you. Second thing is that Imran bhai, that you're not going to say their second or third form of the verb. You're going to say only the first
Yes,
form of verb,
first
okay?
form of verb.
And second thing, you're going to speak up only about the present.
Yes,
It's what
yes,
like a daily routine, okay? That's it.
yes, sir.
Don't use just the second and third form of the verb. That's really good. Keep up. Next one, please. Second thing, as
Sir.
you people are speaking there, after that, nahi bolna hai directly. You can say there, then, then, then.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
अभी हमारे निसार भाई अभी अंदर आने वाले हैं क्लास में, उनके लिए सब लोग क्लैप करेंगे, ठीक है? जो क्लैप नहीं करेगा वो महाडोंकी रहेगा।
Good evening, ladies.
वेट, आ गए हमारे निसार भाई? आए कि नहीं निसार भाई? वेट वेट वेट, आए कि नहीं निसार भाई? आए कि नहीं इधर? अभी तक ये पहुंचे नहीं, रास्ते में है वो, दिख नहीं रहे मुझे। लेट हिम जॉइन। और पहले भी वही बोलेंगे, ठीक है? कोई बीच में नहीं घुसेगा, पहले भी वही बोलेंगे। हजरत वजरत थोड़ा फील तो होना चाहिए कि वो मैंने क्या गलती करा क्या नहीं। निसार भाई इज हियर। हेलो मिस्टर निसार।
Yes, sir.
हाँ, कैन यू प्लीज कम ऑन द कैमरा?
Wait a minute, sir.
यस यस, पहन लो कपड़े पहन लो। जल्दी दोस्त। एंड प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू गेट रेडी, हाँ, बिकॉज यू गोइंग टू स्पीक अप देयर। और 1 मिनट के अंदर अंदर फिनिश करना है सब लोगों को, ज्यादा टाइम पास नहीं करना है, फटाफट फटाफट बोलना है, फिनिश कर देना है, और हो जाएगा
sir.
1 से 1.5 मिनट के अंदर। ओके?
Yes, sir.
यस मिस्टर निसार, डन? हेलो मिस्टर निसार। चलो, जब तक कि हमारे तबरेज, कैन यू प्लीज स्पीक अप?
Sure,
निसार भाई
sir.
का इस्तेमाल थोड़ी देर से करेंगे। यस, स्पीक अप जल्दी जल्दी।
Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Tabrez Mandrup. I'm basically from Karnataka. So here is how my daily routine looks like. It's very basic, and I try to follow the schedule as much I can, as much as I can. Okay, a little progress each day add up to a big results.
वाओ, ब्यूटीफुल।
My day start at 5:30 a.m. in the morning from Fajr, post which post which I get fresh up and water plant and clean the garden. Approx 7:30 a.m. my mom prepares breakfast and I am done with
I
it
do.
by 8 a.m. Then come to the preparation of my work. Basically, I am undergoing the training of the software development. My class start at 9:30 a.m. and finish by the 11:30 a.m. Post my training session, I help my mom in household work to bring some groceries from the market. Around 1 p.m. I finish my lunch and then perform Zohar. Afternoon 2 p.m. to 3:30 I take rest, do some revision from the training session. Evening start with my performing my Asar namaz. And then I have tea with my family and do some chit chat with my friends. Uh, if uh, if time allows, I meet my friends and go to the Maghrib namaz with them. Post my Maghrib namaz, I call to my friends and I go outside. Okay. Um, then I prepare to start my English class. Then make some notes which help me to sit and revise me later. Okay. After the class, I perform Isha namaz and finish dinner by the 11 or the 12 p.m. Then I go for a walk with my family, my mom and dad. Approx 12:30 or 1 a.m. I am off to bed. And during this pandemic, it is very important to it is very important for us to have a set schedule which help us to manage our day as well.
Good. Very good, very good.
Thank you.
But one more thing is there, Tabrez bhai, I was expecting that you are going to speak up rather than reading.
Sure, sir.
Getting it? Next time I want you to speak up there. Don't read it,
Sure,
okay?
sure, sir.
रीडिंग करके मतलब नहीं है दोस्त, नहीं तो फिर आप क्या हो जाएंगे मालूम है, नूर जामिस बन जाएंगे फिर आप, मुनाफ
Yes,
सर नूर जामिस। ओके?
sure, sir.
यस, गुड, थैंक यू,
Thank
वेरी गुड। निसार भाई, मेरे जान निसार
Yes, sir.
जी, कैन यू प्लीज कम ऑन द कैमरा?
Sir, I did not practice that one.
ना ना नो प्रॉब्लम। अरे प्रैक्टिस कौन कमबख्त कह रहा है आपसे प्रैक्टिस करके बोलो? अरे ऐसे थोड़ी होता है। कैमरे पे आओ जरा 2 मिनट, अपना खूबसूरत चेहरा दिखाओ जरा। All of you, please get ready. Yes, Nisar bhai, please come. Very good. Please welcome him. अरे निसार भाई,
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर. अरे आप ऐसा क्या अभी निकाह वाले दिन बराबर टाइम पे पहुंचे थे, क्लास को आप टाइम पे नहीं आ रहे सर. अल्लाह करे आप दूसरे निकाह के टाइम पे अपने लेट पहुंचे.
सर एक्चुअली निकाह के टाइम पे मैं लेट ही गया था वैसे.
भाभी मिले कैसे फिर आपको?
तो वो तो पहले ही फिक्स हो चुका था ना.
अरे
लव मैरिज नहीं थी, अरेंज मैरिज ही थी, बट फिक्स थी.
अरे तभी तभी बेचारी वो बोली कि क्या हुआ अब्बा, तुम्हारी वजह से रुकना पड़ रहा मेरे को. मजाक कर रहा हूँ.
यस सर.
जब तक प्रिपेयर करो, मैं आपको छोड़ने वाला नहीं हूँ आज. मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ आपके पास में. प्रिपेयर दैट टिल दैट. चलो
ठीक है.
क्लैप आपके लिए इसके लिए की गई है क्योंकि आप बहुत जल्दी आए थे ना क्लास को आज, इसके लिए. नेक्स्ट. चलो नेक्स्ट. हुज द
Sir.
नेक्स्ट प्लीज. जल्दी जल्दी.
Sir.
मेरा क्यूट आसिम, कम ऑन द कैमरा. ओहो वेरी नाइस. यस
Yes.
स्पीक अप.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Asim Sheikh. I am a student. Today I'm gonna tell you guys about my daily routine. Uh, so I'm on to early to bed, early to rise, which make person healthy, wealthy, and wise.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. So I usually wake up in the morning at 11 a.m. Then I prepare myself. I go to John. Then I brush my teeth and I shower myself. Then I prepare myself, wear clothes, and had a breakfast.
Have
Then
breakfast.
I have a breakfast. Then I log into my office at 9:30 a.m. Then I take my lunch break at one around 1 to 2 p.m. anytime. The lunch break is around 30 minutes. Then I take tea break. I take tea break to at 5 p.m. and the tea break is around 15 minutes. I usually take my tea break with my friends. I usually take my tea break with my friends, which is of group 5 people. Then I log out at 6:30. Then I log out at 6:30 p.m. Then we and then I and then we I and my we friends sometimes have a uh, fast food around around the office. Then I came to then I arrive at home at 7 to 7:30 p.m. daily. Then I pray z- uh, Maghrib namaz. Then I chit chat with my friends. And then I come to class at 9 p.m. of English. Then after the English class, I had my dinner. Then after that, I watch some episodes of anime. Then 2 to 3 episodes daily. Then I go for a sleep at 11 p.m. Thank you.
Good one. Good. Happy for you. Very good. One
Yes,
more
sir.
thing is there. दोस्त अपना बहुत स्लो बोलते हैं आप. थोड़ा सा फास्ट बोलना है इसको. Start
Yes,
reading
sir.
and listening faster and faster. It will help you a lot, inshallah. Getting
Yes,
it?
Yes.
Good. Very good. And don't say after that. You can say directly then.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
And just
Thank you,
go
sir.
on with your vocabulary. Very good. Next one, please. Who's the next? कोई नहीं बोल रहा है. Okay, Mr. Nyamat, please go on.
Yes, sir.
Good. Start. Come on the camera. Very good boy.
Good evening,
Yes,
ladies
start.
and gentlemen. I am Niamat Bangi. Today I am going to tell about my routine. I usually wake up around 5:30 a.m. Then I perform prayer at mosque. Then I brush my teeth. At 6:30, my friend and I go for a park. We walk for a while. Then
Go to
we
the
do
park.
exercise. Go to the park and do some, we do some exercise and play badminton. Then we come back to home around 9 a.m. I have my breakfast and have bath. Then I use mobile and watch some YouTube videos for a while. Then I study for 2 hours of taking breaks for 10 minutes for every half hours, half to 40 minutes. Then I go for prayer at around 1:15. After prayer, I meet my friend and spend a little time with them. Then I have my lunch and go to afternoon sleep until go to afternoon sleep for a while. Then I go for a prayer. Then I come to home and drink some tea.
Come home.
Then I come home and drink some tea. Then I then I go for and then I watch some videos about techs, programming and random stuff. Then I go for namaz, Maghrib namaz. Then I
Go for salat. We can say go for
go for
pray, go for
salah.
salat.
Yeah. Then I go Maghrib salah. Then I spend some times with my friends until Isha. Then after Isha, I attend English class and I have dinners and I go to sleep around 11:30. Thank you.
Very good boy. You people can add their weekends activities as well. Okay. Next one. Good. Spoken really good. I want it a little bit faster. Rule number 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, madam. Come on the camera, please. Good. All of you, please be ready. Huh? Yes, ma'am. Can you please speak up?
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to share with you my daily routine. Usually I wake up according to dawn prayers time. As my alarms ring, I turn off my alarms and wake up and get up, make ablution, tweak on my teeth and make ablution and pray, offer dawn prayers. After recitation, I get some time for studying and practice English. Around 6:30, I go to kitchen and
No. One more thing is there. Wait. Ma'am.
for my husband as
Don't.
he finishes
No.
his
Wait.
tea. Then around 7:30 a.m.
Wait. Don't
Yes.
explain each and everything. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You can
Okay.
just hit the main points, and then you can finish it. Because you can't. Then I go to the kitchen. Then I take the frying pan. Then I start the gas. And all. So you can just get up the points faster and faster. Yeah. Continue, please.
Then I make breakfast for my children. Sir, as a homemaker, I do house chores and offer namaz and play with my children and do homework of my children. And as I spend my lots of time for my family members, and at exact 9 o'clock I attend English class. Thank you.
I never have dinner. I never have lunch.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
खाना नहीं खाते मैडम हम.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very good. Next one, please. Row number 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Turn on the camera and come and speak up. Yes, ma'am. Speak up.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Saleha Pankar. Today I'm going to discuss my daily routine. I wake up in 5 o'clock and Fajr namaz. I do something residential. After I then make a breakfast and tiffin for my husband and daily chores. Then my daughter makes 9 p.m. I then make a breakfast for and 7 minutes.
चीटिंग नहीं करने का। Go on. Okay, next, number 4. Yes, madam, speak up.
I'm Aisha Inamdar. I'm a teacher. Today I am going to speak about daily routine. So I wake up 5 o'clock and pray namaz. I read a Quran and then I go then I go to the walking with my mom and I pray myself and I making breakfast. Then I
Make
take them
breakfast. ING नहीं लगेगा उसके अंदर, only first form you're going to take.
I make breakfast. Then I'm taking my lecture of I'm taking lecture of my school.
I take a lecture of my school.
I take my lecture of my school. Then I make lunch for all, and then I read of namaz of Zohar.
I pray Salah Zohar.
Then I go for Salah. I watch some news and attend my Arabic class. Then I prepare tea for all. Then I attend my English class, and then I prepare dinner. And thank you, sir.
I go to bed. Good. Yes, Miss Jyoti, are you prepared?
No, sir. I will speak tomorrow.
Oh my God. Okay, number 5, Mr. Aslam.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good evening,
Please
one
speak
and
up.
all. Yeah. My name is Aslam Sheikh. I am an engineer. Today I want to discuss about my daily routine that I always plan and sometimes it collapses. So in my daily routine, I usually wake up early in the morning, and the wake up time depends on the Salah time. So after waking up, I go to the washroom and then I go to pray Fajr, Salah of Fajr. After finishing my Salah, I go to gym for 1.5 hours. I spend my time there. And after coming from gym, I go to washroom, take bath, and then make myself ready, and then get my breakfast. Then after having breakfast, I go to my workstation, and around 1 p.m. I finish my lunch, and after finishing my lunch, I go to pray. I go to prepare for my Zohar Salah. And after finishing my Zohar Salah, again.
My dear, don't say each and everything in detail. Then I go to the Salah, then I prepare my Salah, then I finish my Salah, then I get out the mosque, then I wear the chappal vippal, then फिर मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सिद्धे जाता हूँ, फिर मैं जाता हूँ घर में घुसता हूँ, फिर वहाँ पे रुक के देखता हूँ मैं पहले से. Nothing. I want you to speak up faster and faster. This straight to forward to the point. That's it.
Yes. After finishing the Zohar Salah, I go to workstation. In between, I usually take short breaks. And in that short breaks, I do my day-to-day activities, any phone calls, and little bit snap sometimes, and overall chores. Then in evening around 7 or 7:30 p.m. I finish with my work, and then I take some break and chit chat with my family. And at 9 a.m. and at 9 p.m. I join the English spoken classes. And then before joining the English spoken class, I finish my dinner. And after spoken classes, I take some notes and then go to sleep.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good. Very good. All of you, please don't elaborate each and everything in detail. मैं सुबह में उठता हूँ, पहले ये करवट पे उठता हूँ, फिर वाले करवट पे उठता हूँ, फिर तुम्हारे भाभी के मैसेज देखता हूँ, फिर उनको देखकर मुस्कुराता हूँ, फिर मैं उनको रिप्लाई देता हूँ, पहले मैं मेरे ये वाले हाथों से बटन चलाता हूँ, फिर उसको स्क्रीन को बंद करता हूँ, फिर मैं चाहता हूँ बाथरूम की तरफ, फिर मैं बाथरूम की तरफ जाते ही फिर मैं ये वाले हाथ से परश उठाता हूँ, फिर ये वाले हाथ से मैं उसके ऊपर टीप लेता हूँ. डिटेल नहीं चाहिए, डिटेल नहीं चाहिए, मुझे खाली जानना है कि क्या क्या होता है. ओनली शॉर्ट इन, क्योंकि वहां पे जो मैनेजर आपको सुन रहा है वो आपकी डिटेल नहीं लेगा. गेटिंग इट? समझ में आ रहा है? गुड. आपको खाली हिट करना है पॉइंट के ऊपर मैं क्या क्या करता हूँ. शॉर्ट इन 1 minute यू आर गोइंग टू फिनिश इट. ओके, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, नेक्स्ट रूल नंबर 6.
I am done, sir.
डन. हाँ जाफर डन. 7.
Yeah.
रूल नंबर 7. सहेली वापस एब्सेंट है. 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, speak up.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Bushra Sheikh. Today I'm going to share with you my daily routine. I usually wake up around 6 o'clock. Then I go to the John. Then I brush my teeth. Then I pray. Then I have my then I do some yoga. Then I have a shower. Then I have my breakfast. Then I do some house chores. Some house chores and get ready for my online classes. Then I have my classes 11 to 1:30. Then I pray. Then I have my lunch. Then I take class 4 to 5:30. Then I have my evening tea. Then I do some painting and sketching. Then I do some house chores. Then I make dinner. About 8:30. Then I have my dinner with my family, and then I have my English class. Then I gossips with my family and friends. Then I do little study. Then I do little study about at about 11:30. I go to the bed and fall asleep. Thank you.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Next one, please. Number 9.
Yes, sir.
Yes, speak up.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sumaya Sheikh. Today I'm going to share with you my daily routine. I usually wake up around 7 in the morning. Then I go to the John and I have shower. Then I have breakfast with my family. Then I help my mother in her chores. Then I do little study. Then I do little study. Then I pray Zohar and Salah. Then I have lunch with my family. Then I watch TV for some time. And chat with my friends. And after that, then I take some rest. And after then I make evening tea for everyone in the family. Then I pray the Maghrib Salah. Then I help my mother in cooking. Then I attend my English classes from 9 to 10. Then I have dinner with my family and I gossip with my family for some time. Then I go for a walk. Then about 12, I go to bed and fall asleep. On the weekends, I sometimes go for shopping with my sister. Then sometimes I go to my friend's house and we go for a lunch or a dinner. So this is how my weekend is. So thank you.
Good. Very good.
Thank
So
you,
I
sir.
have dinner or lunch, not okay. I have dinner or lunch,
Okay.
or I go shopping, not for shopping. Good. Spoken
Okay, sir.
really good.
Thank
Very
you.
good.
Thank you.
Next, number 10. 10. 11. 12.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Mr. Roshan.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a Roshan Sheikh. I'm a student. Let me speak
I'm
about
Roshan
my
Sheikh, not नहीं आएगा सही user. I'm Roshan Sheikh.
I'm a student. Let me speak about my daily routine. You will never change your life until you change something you do daily. The secret of your success is found in your daily routine. I usually wake up around 6 o'clock. Then I go to the gym. Then I wash my teeth, brush my teeth, and then I pray. Then I make tea, and then I drink tea. Then I study for 1 hour. Then I have shower. Then I have breakfast. Then I have online classes at 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. Then I rest for some time. Then I have lunch. Then I have teach Arabic class. Then I have study again till 6 o'clock. Then I have freshen up and drink evening tea with eat some biscuits. Then I have gossips with my sisters, and then I have help helping mother for her chores. Um, then at about 8:30, I have dinner. Then I have my English class at 9 o'clock. After my English class, I spend with my grandfather. Then I watch some cartoons. At 11:30, I go to the bed and fall asleep. My daily routine makes me healthy and busy all the time. Thank you.
Very good. मैडम आप कहीं जगह पर खाली हैव लगा रही है, ऐसे नहीं लगाना है, ठीक है? एक ही वर्ब आएगा एक टाइम पर, दो वर्ब्स नहीं आएंगे. वेरी गुड गर्ल. नेक्स्ट वन. रोशन, मैंने आपका नाम इसके लिए क्योंकि मैंने बहुत फटके खाया मेरे स्कूल के अंदर. मेरे जो इंग्लिश के टीचर थे ना, उनका नाम रोशन ही नहीं था. बहुत मारते थे यार टीचर. चलो इमरान भाई का डन. नेक्स्ट नंबर 14, 15, मुंतहा, सिदरतुल मुंतहा.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hi.
फरमाइए. Hello.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Muntaha Shirgave. I will share my daily routine today. I always wake up at 10 a.m. Daily, as working in the night shift. Okay, I get fresh after I take a bath. I usually have breakfast at 11. Then I offer Fajr namaz as a qaza. Then I read the newspaper in my mobile. I take a lunch at 2 p.m. After taking my lunch, I go to after the Dohar namaz. I take a lunch. Then I take a small power nap, and I wake up again and I get a fresh. I do a exercise on daily basis for sometimes between 2 to 3 p.m. Then I start my work at 5 p.m. as I'm working from home. I go to bed at 3 p.m. At night after completing my work. Thank you.
Good. Very good. Very good. Next. 16, 17.
Yes, sir.
Come on the camera. Speak up.
सर अभी सर लिखे ला वहीं लिख के बोलूँ सर.
नहीं यार, ऐसा क्या भी बोलने का है दोस्त अपने को.
My name is Musaf Bangi and I am 18 from Pune city and I am a student. Today I'll discuss about my daily routine. So there is nothing special in my daily routine. So I usually wake up at 5:30 a.m. for prayer. Then I go again for a sleep. Then I wake up in between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Then it takes me 1 hour for fresh and do my breakfast. After that, I do my college work like assignments, projects, practicals, etc. Or else I play video games or hang out on social media. Then I go for a prayer at 1:30 p.m. Then I have little gossips with my friends. Then I go for lunch. And take some rest. After that, I practice my English language at 3 a.m. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Then I go for a round. Then I go for prayer at 5:30 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Then I look out for some outdoor games like cricket, etc. Then we play. Then we play at till 7 p.m. and come, and then we go for prayer till 7 p.m. Then after that, we friends have play video games. Then we friends play video games from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. Then I go for prayer and come back to home and do my dinner quickly because there is English classes at 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Then after the class is over, I go for hangout and come back to the home till 11:30 p.m. and I have a supper. Then I go for bed around 12 p.m.
Thank you.
Thank you.
क्लास के बाद घूमने जाने का नहीं, सीधा खाना खाने का, पढ़ाई करने का, सो जाने का. चलो नेक्स्ट. 18.
Yes sir.
My Annu. जल्दी जल्दी और भी जल्दी.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Anashek. I am a student. Today I am going to share with you my daily routine. I usually wake up around 7. I brush my teeth. I have a shower. I go to the market. Then I come back home. I have my breakfast. Then I have my mother on her chores. Then I watch TV. Then I go for the prayer. Then I study from 1:30 to 4. Then I have my lunch. Then I hang out with my friends. Then we go for the prayer. Then I come back home. I rest for a while. I watch videos on YouTube. Then I have a cup of tea. Then I study from 7:30 to 8:30. Then I rest for a while. Then I attend my online class from 9 to 10. Then I have a dinner. Then I gossip with my family. And about 12, I go to the bed and fall asleep.
I have dinner right उधर, और डिनर नहीं आता है दोस्त. 19. निसार भाई. माशाल्लाह. अब मेरे को लग रहा है कि कल जुमा है सच में. अनम्यूट करो उधर अपने आप को.
Okay.
Very nice.
Sorry. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nisar Khan. Basically, I'm from Pune. Usually, I wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning. After that, I brush my teeth. After that, I go for pray. After that, I have a shower. Then I join my office online from home from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. In the middle of that time, I take a breakfast, lunch, and break for pray. After 4 p.m., I take rest for some time. After namaz, after asr, I go to market if for vegetable if we need. Then I spend some time with my family, and around 8 p.m. I take dinner. After that, I go to pray for namaz, and after that I join the class. After end the class, I go to bed.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's all.
Very good. Next one. 20. Paijan. Absent है ना? Very bad, so sad. 21. 22. 23. 24. Gulami Mustafa. Yes. Come, speak up. Unmute yourself. Speak up. दोस्त अपनी आवाज नहीं आ रही. हेडफोन्स निकाल कर वापस लगाओ दोस्त. हेलो हेलो, माइक चेक 1 2 3. अभी आवाज आ रही है? देखो जरा, बोलो बोलो उधर से.
Hello,
आतिफ असलम, बिल्कुल एकदम. वेरी गुड, स्पीक अप.
I'm Mustafa Babude. Today I'm going to discuss about my.
सलाम मिलाम कुछ है कि नहीं दोस्त ऐसा?
हमला.
बोला.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mustafa Babude. Today I'm going to discuss my daily life. I usually wake up around 10 a.m.
सर आप पुणे से हैं?
Yes.
प्रॉपर? नहीं, तो फिर आप सर पुणे का पूरा पूरा हक कैसे अदा कर रहे हैं बराबर 10 बजे उठ के? कंटिन्यू कीजिए, चलिए जल्दी जल्दी. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है दोस्त अपना.
I usually wake up around 8 a.m.
ये झूठे बात हो गई.
Then
चलो कंटिन्यू करो. कंटिन्यू.
Then I brush my teeth. I have breakfast. I'm going to office.
I go to
the office. I go to office around 9:30 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. Then I come back to home.
फिर ओके. फिर भाभी के साथ में चैटिंग बीटिंग, फिर उसके उनके अब्बा बब्बा आते अपने घर पे, दे डालते अपने को. चलो नेक्स्ट 25. दोस्त प्रैक्टिस करना है मिस्टर मुस्तफा. प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है दोस्त. प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं आप. नंबर 25, 26. समीर भाई किधर है? वेरी नाइस. 27. हिना मैम 27. मिस हिना अंसारी. हेलो मैडम, गुंडी हो रही है अभी आप. 28, 29. आसिम डन. 30. कहाँ गया दोस्त अपना? 2 दिन से दिखने को तैयार नहीं है. जुनेदी, जियाउर रहमान. ओके 31, 32, 33. 33. Mubashirin 33.
Good evening, ladies and
Voice is
gentlemen.
lagging. Voice is lagging. Voice is lagging. Voice is lagging. 33.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. मैडम डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस कनेक्ट कीजिए. वापस से डिस्कनेक्ट करके वापस कनेक्ट कीजिए. चलो जब तक कि फिदा.
Yes, sir.
Turn on the camera. Very good girl. हेलो
सर लर्न नहीं किए हुए हमने, तो देख कर बोलेंगे तो चलेगा.
बोलो बोलो बोलो.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Fida Kamliwale. I'm a student. Today I'm going to share with you my daily routine. I always wake up at 8 o'clock daily. After brush my teeth, I spend some time doing exercise. Then I take bath and eat my breakfast. After breakfast, I attend my online classes from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then I help my sister in the kitchen for making variety of yummy dishes. After finishing my lunch, I complete my homework. In the evening time, I watch TV for some time. At night, I study almost 3 hours. Then I eat my dinner at 10:30 p.m. and go to bed around 12 a.m.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Very good. Next time बिना देखे बोलना है मैडम, बिना देखे बोलना है next time, reading नहीं चाहिए. Miss Mubashreen.
Yes.
Hello. Hello.
आपका वॉइस लैग कर रहा है मैडम, आपका बहुत नेटवर्क का इश्यू दिख रहा है मुझे आपके यहाँ पर. हेलो.
Hello.
यस,
आवाज आ रही
स्पीक
है?
अप. आवाज आ रही है.
Evening,
आपका
ladies and
कैमरा ही बंद
gentlemen.
दिखा रहा है मुझे. कंटिन्यू बोलो आप जब तक के. स्पीक अप.
Evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Mubashreen Sheikh. Today I am going to discuss about my daily routine. Early to bed, early to rise, make a person healthy with wise. I'm
Gone. Kosen. Miss Kosen.
Yes sir.
Yes, come on the camera and speak up.
सर हमने भी लर्न नहीं किया, देख के बोलते चलेगा ना?
हाँ, गुंडी हो रही है आपकी बहन की
सॉरी
जैसी.
सर, बहुत सारा काम रहता है इसलिए लर्न करने का मौका नहीं, टाइम नहीं मिला.
यस. मैडम कल से हल्दी मेहंदी को छुट्टियां देने का, पहले ये करने का. लर्न नहीं करना है उसको, याद नहीं करना है, किसी को भी याद नहीं करना है. खाली क्या है जो रियलिटी है बस उसके बारे में बोलना है. दैट्स इट. बाकी कुछ भी नहीं है. यस, स्पीक अप.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Hossan Kamliwale. I'm a student. Today I'm going to share with you my daily routine. I wake up at 7 o'clock in every day. Then I clean my teeth with a toothbrush. Then I have breakfast in the morning. I like to drink tea. Then I attend online lecture from 9 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. Then I play. Then I cook food. After that I do all the household work. And then I chat with friends on the phone in the evening. Study from 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock. Then I cook till 8 o'clock. Then I attend my English lecture at 8 p.m. About 10:30 I have dinner my family. After dinner, work
My family.
at home. Then I watch TV for some time, and at 12 o'clock go to bed. Thank you.
थैंक यू. वेरी गुड. रात को 12 बजे सोने के लिए जाती है मैडम, फिर भी आप बोल रहे हैं मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. 1 बजे बनाने का रात को ये सब, बट बोलने का. मिस मुबशरीन, गुड स्पोकन, गुड. नेक्स्ट.
Yes, sir.
यस मैडम, आपका आज कुछ वॉइस ज्यादा ही लैग कर रहा है. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Hello.
यस, हेलो.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Mubashreen Sheikh. I'm a student. I'm discuss about my daily routine. Early to bed, early to rise, make a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. I usually wake up around 6 o'clock. Then I go to John. Then I brush my teeth. Then I make tea. I make cup of tea. Then shower. Then I have.
Gone. ओके, बाय द वे मैडम आपका आवाज बहुत लैग कर रहा है, कभी कभी आ भी नहीं रहा है. Okay, no problem.
Hello.
No problem. Wait. Now, second thing is what, guys? Tomorrow, inshallah, I'll be teaching you another tense. A new tense will be there. हम लोग पहले तो सेंटेंस बनाएंगे जो हमारा बचा हुआ था, उसके ऊपर से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, नया टेंस पढ़ेंगे हम लोग कल. प्रैक्टिस करना है और एब्सेंट कोई भी नहीं रहेगा. इफ यू विल बी एब्सेंट देन मे गॉड हेल्प यू. एंड सेकंड थिंग, द पीपल हु हैवंट स्पोकन टुडे, मिस ज्योति, मिस मुबश्शिरीन, आप लोगों को करना क्या है? You're going to shoot a video and you're going to send it to me, okay? Second thing, next time से हम लोग यहाँ पर खाली आज का मैंने इसलिए लिया था कि आप लोग को यहाँ पर कैमरे में बोलना आए. Third thing is what that we are just going to have next time का जो होमवर्क रहेगा डायरेक्ट आप लोग को वीडियो में देना है. Getting it? तो हमारा मतलब टाइम पास नहीं होगा लेक्चर के अंदर, सबका एक एक जमा करते करते. You're going to just send me the video. जो बंदे का वीडियो मुझे मिलेगा, बोलता हुआ वीडियो मुझे मिलेगा, वो बंदे को मिलेगी एंट्री, और जिसका वीडियो नहीं मिला उसको एंट्री क्लास में नहीं. Okay? So tomorrow, inshallah, we're going to have another tense. And if you have any questions and doubts regarding this one as well, you can ask me. All right? Please all of you practice at home. अगर practice नहीं करेंगे, आगे जाके लटक जाएंगे. बाद में बोलना नहीं कि कंपनी में इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने नहीं आ रहा है. सामने वाले को क्या बोलूं, कैसे बात करूं, क्या करूं, क्या नहीं करूं. बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. एक सिंपल सी चीज है, ध्यान रखो. अभी बचपन से लेके तो केजी से लेके तो आप लोग की ग्रेजुएशन तक के, मास्टर्स तक के, आप लोग को खाली एक ही काम होता है, लिखने का, एग्जाम देने का, लिखने का, एग्जाम देने का, लिखने का, एग्जाम देने का. तो लिखना भी, एग्जाम भी लिखना भी होता है. पूरा आप लोग साल भर से लिखते ही बैठते हैं. असाइनमेंट्स लिखते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल्स लिखते हैं, एग्जाम में लिखते हैं, बुक्स में लिखते हैं, नोट्स कॉपी करते हैं, लिखते हैं, चीटिंग करते हैं तो भी लिखते हैं. खाली लिखने का काम होता है. बट आफ्टर दैट, उसके बाद में, मास्टर्स के बाद में, ग्रेजुएशन के बाद में कभी लिखने का काम होता है क्या? उसके बाद में लिखने का काम नहीं होता है, खाली बोलने का काम होता है. हमारे यहाँ पे ऐसे गधे टीचर्स हैं जो बच्चे लोगों को खाली लिखने को लगाते हैं. दुनिया का लिखो, खाली लिखो, खाली लिखो. HW, TW, BW, KW, LW, फालतू के बुक्स भरवाते बेवजह के. मेरा भांजा है. अब कैसे है भाई, फैमिली के भी अगर रहे तो अपन ज्यादा कुछ बोल नहीं सकते क्योंकि अपना बच्चा नहीं है वो. अब मेरा भांजा है, स्कूल में है वो, उसको टीचर्स लोगों ने क्या किया, नर्सरी में इतने सारे बुक्स दिए उसको. अब मैं बोला, अरे यार ये बच्चा जो है तो इतना सा चिल्लर, बुक्स उसको इतनी सारी दे दी है. उसको देख कुत्ते कैसे लिखाते, खाली लिखो, खाली लिखो, खाली लिखो. अरे लिखने से ये थोड़ी बढ़ता है, ये थोड़ी बढ़ता है. खाली क्या भरता है? बुक्स भरती है. मैं इसके अंदर बिलीव नहीं करता. ये ढक्कन चाले सभी है, ये पागलपन है, ये स्टूपिडनेस के अंदर मैं बिलीव नहीं करता. आई बिलीव इन व्हाट? टैलेंट. आई बिलीव इन टैलेंट. आई बिलीव इन दिस माइंड. बुक्स बिक्स के अंदर बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ मैं. टू हेल विद दैट बुक्स. लिखने विखने का नहीं, यहाँ पे ये भरने का, ये चलाने का. क्योंकि इन फ्यूचर, आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन, आफ्टर योर मास्टर्स, यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू स्पीक अप. इंटरव्यू, वहां पे बोलना पड़ेगा. कंपनी, खाली बोलना पड़ेगा. क्लाइंट से मीटिंग हो रही, खाली बोलना पड़ेगा. कॉल्स ले रहे तो भी बोलना पड़ेगा. शादी हो रही तो भी बोलना पड़ेगा. लिखने का काम है ही नहीं, कहीं पे भी लिखने का काम नहीं है. डील्स क्रैक कर रहे हैं, बोलना पड़ेगा. किसी से कम्युनिकेशन करना है, वहां पे भी बोलना ही पड़ेगा. झगड़े करने तो भी बोलना पड़ेगा. लिख के झगड़े होते क्या? इमरान भाई लिख के झगड़े करते वाइफ के साथ में आप? इमरान भाई
नो
क्या
सर.
बात है, फुटाने में बिजी हैं?
नो सर, नो.
ओके. तो वहां पे क्या चलता दोस्त? वहां पे चलती जबान. ये सर हो?
यस.
समझा? तो प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू फोकस ऑन स्पीकिंग रादर देन राइटिंग. गेटिंग इट? लिखने पे ज्यादा फोकस करो मत. लिखना गया भाड़ में. हम लोग को फोकस करना है बोलने पे. स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग एज मच एज यू कैन. एवरी डे स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग योर वॉइस. खुद की शक्ल अगर अच्छी नहीं लगती रहेगी अपने आप को, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. क्या करने का? डेली वॉइस रिकॉर्ड करने का. एवरी डे टेक अ टॉपिक एंड स्पीक अप. टेक अ टॉपिक एंड स्पीक अप. टेक अ टॉपिक एंड स्पीक अप. हर दिन क्या करो, कोई भी एक टॉपिक लो और उसके ऊपर बोलना स्टार्ट करो. रिकॉर्ड करो. जितना रिकॉर्ड करने का, 1 मिनट रिकॉर्ड करो, सुनो, रिकॉर्ड करो, सुनो, रिकॉर्ड करो, सुनो. आप लोग कहाँ मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, कैसे मिस्टेक कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को समझ में आएगा. समझ में आ रहा है? सो स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग. और अगर रिकॉर्डिंग से भी अच्छा अगर आप लोग कर सकते हैं, स्टार्ट शूटिंग. जितना हो सकता है शूट करो. The moment when you're going to shoot, at least you'll come to know about your lip syncs, your expressions. It will become very amazing. और जो भी बंदा कैमरे को फेस कर रहा है, आज सामने सबको कैमरे पे क्यों बुलाया? जो बंदा कैमरे को फेस कर रहा है वो किसी को भी फेस कर सकता है दुनिया में, याद रखना. And if you're not facing the camera, आप लोग किसी को फेस नहीं कर सकते, याद रखना. Getting it? Remember this. Just start recording your own voice, start recording your videos, and start checking out where exactly you're lacking. And if you have any questions, any doubts, you can ask me. All right? Inshallah, we'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Sayonara.
Sayonara.